Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove stick drift in a ps4 controller. So we have a ps4 controller here. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna do like this, then press inside for about 10 seconds. After you do that, change directions. After 10 seconds again, change directions, and after it again, first change directions. And you can do for all the analogs there if the stick drift in the left and right analog. So second one, you're gonna press them inside like this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you're gonna wanna turn them anti-clockwise and clockwise, so you're gonna do like this, and again. So that's it then. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications. Love you. Peace.